Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video. Yo, your boy just got the fresh cut. I got the polo on. Y'all know what that means. I just got off work. I be working hard, man. If y'all ain't watched the last video, make sure y'all go check out that video. I just reviewed the Michigan dunks in that video. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure y'all go down and hit that subscribe button. Leave a like on the video. Comment down below what else y'all want to see on the channel. And yeah, just subscribe, man. We gonna know me. I got a lot more reviews coming. Like I said in the last vid, I just been busy. You know, all those shoes, you see that whole row. I got another row behind it, and I just been buying shoes all week. Last week. Yeah, bro, I just got a bunch of stuff I gotta do. Now I gotta be selling these shoes, so yeah. But I'm here though. I'm here with y'all. So expect videos. That's why you must subscribe. Anyways, let's get into today's video. We have another shoe review, and you guys already know by the title. It's the Michigan State Spartan Green Dunks. Here is the box. A lot of people was telling me, yo, what are you talking about? Michigan State. It's not Michigan State. Michigan is that one. I'm like, yo, bro, if y'all are into sneakers and y'all know the history of colorways and basketball teams, like, yo, bro, it's Michigan State. But anyways, with that aside, when I first seen this sneaker, I really liked it, because I'm a fan of green and white. You feel me? Like, I think that's a super clean combination, and especially on this pair right here, I thought it was like beautiful. And then seeing it in person, I didn't really get into a detailed look because I want to save it for the reviews to see if I really fall in love with the shoe or not. But seeing it first time in person, I wasn't too impressed. Let me know how you guys did on your drops. I was able to pick up 2 pairs. Let me know how you guys did on release day. But anyways, yeah, here's the box. Regular Nike Dunk box. It's the orange Nike box with Nike swoosh on top, on the sides, and they have it right here, the small logo. You know, regular old Nike box. This is a size 9, so I'll be bringing you guys in on foot. I also picked up an 8.5, but my man's scooped the 8.5 yesterday along with the Michigan 8.5. He was fiending for them, so I was like, yeah, bro, take them, whatever. I'll do the on feet with the 9. So yeah, it reads Nike Dunk Low Retro, size 9. Retail was $100 on these, and the colorway is white/team green white. So yeah, just flipping it open, nothing too special. You know, you got the regular old gray/white paper that comes with all, you know, Jordans, Nikes, whatever, mostly all shoes. So flipping that down, you have the sneaker right here. And yeah, I'm looking at this shoe right now, like, yo, it's clean, but why the hell does this size 9 look so big, bro? This is why I need an 8.5 in dunks. Like, size 9 looks ridiculously big, bro. I can only imagine how big a size 12 looks. You have the shoe. First impressions, I'm looking at it. The green on it is very nice. One detail I really don't like is the laces being a different color green than the actual shoe green, if y'all know what I'm saying. But I'm gonna break that all down when we come back from the B-roll. I'm gonna give you guys, you know, B-roll to look at all the details, compare like different flaws, whatever, to your pair, or if you think you got a replica or fake, yeah, I can compare. So let's just cut to that.
Yo, Ty, drop that shit.
Alright, so coming back from the B-roll, hopefully you guys enjoyed that little look. Yeah, basic, you know, 360 view of the sneaker. But yeah, let's just jump into the colorway breakdown, man. So like I said, this is based off Michigan State, the college. They're Spartans, so their color for the school is white and this green, and that's basically what this shoe is based off of. They call it varsity green, they calling it Spartan green, but at the end of the day, it's Michigan State Spartans. So I just want to give like people the history of the sneaker, you feel me? A lot of people was coming at me like, yo, bro, they're not Michigan States. Why you keep calling them Michigan States? I'm like, yo, bro, they're Michigan States, bro. Draymond Green, I think, went there. Yeah. But yeah, here you guys have the colorway. Basic dunk colorway. There's only 2 colors on this one. So you have the white and the green that makes up the whole shoe, and that's basically the whole shoe. Feel me? But yeah, let's just go right here. Around the toe box, you have that green. Going up the eyelets or the lace, you have that green as well. Same thing with the swoosh being in that varsity green. And then same thing with the back panel right here, going around the heel and back around to the ankle area. The sock liner is also green with this back tab right here around the heel, being in green with Nike embroidered in white. Laces are in this, it's in like a lighter green, I believe, because it's kind of hard to get the laces to be the same color with it being a different material than being leather. But the stitching is in the right green, and also the outsole is in green as well. And then the rest of the shoe is basically white, so the toe box, the mid panels on both sides, and around the ankle collar area and in the back being in white. The tongue is also in white, and the midsole is white. On the inside, I believe that is orange for the Nike check logo. Yeah, that pretty much breaks down the entire shoe for the colorway, at least. Now, as for material being used, it's pretty much simple for all dunks. They use this like it's not really great quality leather, but it's like a plasticky leather, and yeah, it creases. Like, this shoe is brand new and you could already see like it's about to crease, bro. So yeah, I didn't even put my foot in there yet, and yeah, I'm not trying to crease these because I don't know if I'm keeping or selling them. The midsole is rubber along with the outsole, so it's really, you know, not much technology to the sneaker. It's just basically a Nike Dunk Low, if you know what I'm saying. Then they got the mesh on the sock liner and the tongue. So yeah, that's pretty much that. Nothing too special, nothing too crazy. Now, as for sizing on this shoe, I would suggest going down half a size on all Nike Dunk Lows. That would be like your best bet, because they do like look long and they fit like a little bit long. So I will go down half a size, or you could go true to size, but you know, I would suggest going to half size. So if you're a 9, get an 8.5. If you're a 10, get a 9.5, and etc. Now, as for comfort on Dunks, like I said, there's no crazy technology in there, but it is pretty lightweight and it is a low cut sneaker. So yeah, there's that. But as for cushioning, you're not really getting much comfort out of it. And yeah, that pretty much breaks down the whole review. I'm going to give you guys a quick little on feet look on how they look on feet. I'm going to throw on a pair of shorts with them because this is more of a summer shoe in my opinion, and the white complements the green really well. After we come back from that, I'm going to give you guys, you know, the resell prediction and my final opinion. So let's cut to the on foot. Alright, so coming back from the on feet, I'll probably wear these with my Eric Emanuel shorts. I'm just too lazy to get them from the closet. So yeah, I just do them on with the, you know, regular Nike shorts. But you know, that's a cool summer vibe for this sneaker. And as for resale on this sneaker, a lot of people, you know, they buy Dunks for resale because Dunks are probably the hottest thing out right now. As for sneakers, I feel like it's a little bit overhyped, but it is the hottest thing out right now. And I would say that these are up to the hype, man. Only gripe about the shoe, 2 things. Shoelaces is a different green, and the leather is pretty, it's not the best quality leather. But overall, yeah, reselling these right now, these are, I think, going for like $250, $260 in men's sizes, and like $200 to $220 in grade school. Do I think these will go up? I feel like the market is just about right for them right now. If you know what I'm saying, like mid to high 200s on the men's pairs, and low 200s on the GS pairs. I feel like that's a good like market point. One I would compare to is probably the Coast Dunks that came out, but these probably would go up because white and green is like a fan favorite for sneaker combinations, and especially in Jordan 1s, white and green is hard to come by. So Nike Dunks is like the next big thing, like, you know, to Jordan 1s. And yeah, I probably think that men's sizes will go to like 300-ish, but right now high 200s is a good price range. Would I buy into, you know, investing? I don't really like doing that, so it would be a no for me. I try to get them close to retail, or you know, if somebody wants them, I try to, you know, hook them up through like a friend or something if I don't have it. So yeah, that pretty much wraps things up. Now to, you know, finish the video off with my final opinions. Like I said, super clean colorway. I was super hyped to get them. I was able to get an 8.5, and my friend copped it, but I'm probably gonna buy another 8.5. Just I'm gonna keep it on the side, see if I like them, and if I really do like them, yeah, I'll just put them on the feet. And my boy Steve, he wanted 10.5, so I gotta get him the 10.5. But yeah, pretty much I was saying the whole video, two big gripes is the quality on the leather and the shoelace being a different color. But overall, a very, very, very clean sneaker. And I'll probably be adding them to collection. I don't know. The pandas is fire though. I'm keeping the pandas. But so yeah, that wraps it up for this video. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about the sneaker down below in the comments. Were y'all able to pick up a pair? And yeah, let me know how y'all feel about this colorway, man. Is it better than the Michigan? And if y'all want to check out the Michigan video, make sure y'all go check that out. There, it's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy. We out.